Within DBBudget we can define security. This can be used for two purposes. First one being to restrict users to only be able to view and edit certain areas of the database. For example, we might want to restrict budget holders to only be able to view and edit those cost centers or profit centers for which they're responsible for. The other thing we can do is we can set certain elements of the database to be read-only. For example, our actual data we might want to set as read-only so that users can view the data but not change the data. In order to configure the security, we choose Budget Actions Security, and the first thing we need to do is we need to turn the security on by clicking the Turn Security On button, and as you can see the narrative changes to Turn Security Off. Then we can look at the accounts we've got. At the moment we have no user accounts, but we have a group account called Everyone. So let's set up a user, and I'm going to set one up for myself. And I'm going to add myself to the Everyone group. So let's have a look at the Everyone group. Edit the user. First of all, we need to allow the Everyone group to look at the profit and loss template. Now we need to allow the Everyone group to view the relevant bits of data. So let's choose budget versions, and as you can see at the moment everything's set to no access. So I'm going to set everything to read write, and now I'm going to set the actuals to read only. Now I've already set all the other dimensions to read write, so don't need to change the settings anywhere there. So now let's look and see how that is reflected in the Excel budget template. So choose Budget, Open Budget Template, Profit and Loss from the menu. And we set the actuals to be read only, and as you can see you have a little comment against each cell, and if I select it and try and type data, nothing happens. If I change to the budget version and retrieve the data, all those little tags have come out, and now I can enter data into that. Just to show you how that might look, actuals against budget, change that round, refresh the data, and as you can see it now, the actuals is all locked read only, but all the other columns for the budget and the Q1 through Q4 forecast are available for edit.